Hey guys, back at it here with this brick. This video. I got two bricks here, both hail bombs. Both claim they're UNO. This one has brown back wrap. You can tell they're different. This is different. The outlining's different. The clarity on the bomb is different. This is different. This is different. Made in China. Made in Jiangxi, I think. I'm not too good with the how you pronounce the stuff, but I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm not good with any punctuation. This one, there's no back wrap. I think the crackers almost look crimped. I can't tell you. I'm not sure without opening it. This brick is considerably lighter. Now these, I'm like 100% sure these are crimps. Just look at that. They look like they're crimps to me. But yeah. Alright guys, if you have any thoughts or any knowledge about these, let me know. Thanks.